Menteri Rangba Kejelau Konrad Kesangmah kesengi balang ulap pentikna ba kejing sam boarding kebala syak pentut na kedau jong kejing jur palat uslap pat ke eryong kebala long na kejing wan lin shop jong ke cyclone Remal in sapen biang shen. Ha kejing trending ba ke video usang mau laong ba kila don kato kat ne kejing syak pin julor ha ki kato kat ne ki benta jong kejelah. Hakikat to kat neki penta kala don kejing du no ya kawe kejing imbriu kibala jia ha Giant Hills bat kepisa balut kesan la deban ai syakit kot jong kalong yeng.
I would like to share that after the cyclone and the after impacts of it, there have been some damages in some parts of the state. In some parts, we have also lost one life in Giant Hills region. And the ex gratia has been given to the respected family members. At the same time, all the damages that have taken place in different parts, especially homes of individuals and families, the necessary support has been given to them also. The administration has acted very fast. We are also facing challenges in terms of the power supply. For that also, the MECL is really working on a war footing. The damage is very extensive, but MECL is working with large manpower and additional manpower, and we're hopeful that very soon the power will be restored in most of the parts of the state. Already, major part has been done, but in the next few hours and next maybe day or two, we will see most of the power being restored back. And I also would like to take this opportunity to really congratulate and thank the entire officials from the different departments and mostly the district administration for really working very well. A couple of days back, before the storm was about to hit us, we had taken a detailed review along with our Deputy Chief Minister and other officials, and we were very happy with the way the administration was prepared. And they have acted very swiftly. So I thank them and congratulate them. And of course, if there are any issues, any further, any people are facing any specific problems, please do contact the Deputy Commissioner, or you can even call at CM Connect on 1971. Thank you.